Okay, this is the engine bay, this is the solenoid, this is the positive. Let me get in there. This is the positive coming from the battery, and in the distance there, where the screwdriver is pointing, is the terminal for the starter terminal. If I slide the screwdriver over that bolt and touch that blade terminal, I can start the engine directly. You saw the spark when I touched the two together. Someone upstairs is turning it off again. I'm going to do it one more time. It's as if the key switch fails. And that's a quick get out of jail, start the engine technique if the key switch has failed.